Introducing the NETGEAR PoE Plus Gigabit Ethernet Smart Managed Plus Switch family. Ranging from 4 to 8 PoE Plus ports and a total PoE budget from 62 watts to an amazing 123 watts of power. With uninterrupted PoE, keep PoE power on even when the switch is updating firmware or performing a software reboot. Perfect for powering PoE applications such as VoIP phones, IP cameras for surveillance, access-controlled security door locks, wireless access points, and more. Featuring basic and advanced network management to help optimize the performance of business networks. No need for an IT expert or a complicated user manual. Just configure your network with the user-friendly NETGEAR Smart Managed Web GUI. Finally, an easy-to-manage switch with fundamental network features at an affordable cost for SMBs.